Good morning, students. Welcome to part 3 of our chapter number 7. That is weather, climate, and adaptations of animals to the climate. The homework was to read page number 76. We were seeing about the adaptations of the animals and birds of the tropical rainforest region. Right, in that we have seen about the red-eyed frog, the monkey, the toucan. Now about the lion-tailed mac. It is also called a beard ape. Ape means a type of monkey, right? उसकी बियर है वो लायन जैसी होती है, उसकी टेल भी लायन जैसी होती है. So it is also called lion-tailed mac. It lives in the rainforest of Western Ghats. Where does it live? It lives in the rainforest of Western Ghats. You can see the picture over here. Its most outstanding feature is the silver white mane, which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to the chin. लायन की जैसे होती है ना मेन, वैसे इसकी भी होती है सिल्वर वाइट कलर की, जो उसके पूरे हेड को कवर करती है. It is a good climber and spreads a major part of its life on the tree. It is a good climber और mostly tree पे ही रहता है. It feeds mainly on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaves, stem, flowers and buds. Plants and plant products पे वो रहता है, right? It only eats like these things. This beard ape also searches for insects under the bark of the tree. कभी कभी वो छोटे छोटे insects जो tree में होते हैं वो भी खाता है. Since it is able to get sufficient food on trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. Mostly वो tree पे ही होता है, उसको वहाँ पे अच्छा खाना भी मिल जाता है. So बहुत कम, rarely ही वो ground पे आता है. Another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is the elephant. You can see the Indian elephant. Picture is given over here. It has adapted to the conditions of rainforest in a many remarkable ways. Look at its trunk. It uses it as a nose, because of which it has a strong sense of smell. इतनी बड़ी nose है उसकी. So it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up the food. ट्रंक से खाना उठाता है एंड देन मुंह में खाता है. उसका माउथ है वो उसके ट्रंक के पीछे होता है. This can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. उसका जो ट्रंक है, इट इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग थिंग. उससे वो ट्रीज के बार्क्स भी निकाल लेता है. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. उसके ears भी बहुत बड़े होते हैं, so it can hear a very soft sound also. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. पंखे की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं वो अपने ears को, जो उसको hot and humid climate में ठंडा रखने के काम आता है. So these were the adaptations of elephant. So we learn about climate, about weather and the adaptations of different animals of different regions. Now the exercise. Name the elements that determine the weather of a place. We have seen which are the elements of which decide the weather. That is the temperature, the humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. These are all the elements. Question 2. When are the maximum and minimum temperatures likely to occur during the day? Maximum temperature, it will be in the afternoon, and minimum, it will be in the late night or early morning, you can see. Fill in the blanks. The average weather taken over a long period is called climate. Yes. The next one. A place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be hot and humid. Yes, hot and humid. Then the two regions of the earth with extreme climate conditions are second में क्या लिखा आपने? It is hot and dry, huh? The two regions of the earth where extreme climate conditions are there. The tropical rainforest and the polar region. Polar region सबसे कम टेम्परेचर वहाँ पे होता है. Tropical rainforest extreme high temperature. So these are both called the extreme conditions. Indicate the type of climate of the following areas. Jammu and Kashmir, what type of climate? Moderately hot and wet both. Kerala, very hot and wet. Rajasthan, hot and dry. Northeast India, it is a wet climate. Which of the two changes frequently, weather or climate? Frequently इसमें से क्या change होता है? Weather या climate? Weather or climate? Yes, the answer is climate. Question number 6. Following are some of the characteristics of animals. For each characteristic, indicate whether it is adaptation for tropical rainforest or for polar region. Or you can say are adopted by both the regions. You have to say about it. Diets on heavy fruit. Fruits कहाँ पे ज़्यादा होंगे? Forest वाले region में. So tropical rainforest. White fur. We have seen it for polar region. Need to migrate, polar region. Loud voice, tropical rainforest. Sticky pets, forest, yes. Layer of fat under skin, polar region. White and large paws, yes, for polar region, which can swim also. Bright colors, rainforest. Strong tails, rainforest. Long and large beak, rainforest. इसमें से कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो दोनों regions के लिए बताया गया. 7th, the tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. Because it is located around the equator, so it has a hot and humid climate, and it gets plenty of rainfalls. Continuous warm और rain दोनों मिलता है, so it is good for a wide variety of plants. So there is a large population. Next question, explain why, with examples, why we find animals of certain kind living in a particular climatic condition. Because to survive in a particular climate, they have some adaptations. तो जिसकी जैसी adaptation होगी वो वहीं पे रह सकता है. You can example give polar bears. They have good conditions and adaptations, characteristics which help them to live in a ice also in very cold climate. अगर वहाँ पे एलिफेंट जाके रहेगा तो वो नहीं रह सकता है क्योंकि उसके adaptations वैसे नहीं होते हैं. So you can explain it. Next question, how do elephant living in a tropical rainforest adapt itself? वो खुद को कैसे adapt करेगा? हमने अभी देखा था लास्ट वीडियो में, इसी वीडियो में. yes, the adaptations of a elephant. It has a, yes, वो कैसे करेगा? देर आर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज, सो उसको खाना ही अच्छे से मिलता है. फिर it uses its trunk as a nose, so it can smell very well. It can also pick the food and tear the upper skin of the plant as its food. उसके टस्क होते हैं बहुत बड़े, very large ears which has a strong sound sense. So these are all the adaptations of elephant you can write. Next is choose the correct option. First, 10th question. A carnivore with strips on its body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in which region? Yes, of course, the rainforest region. Which features adopt polar bears to live in extremely cold climate? इसमें से कौन सा फीचर है जो उसको एकदम कोल्ड क्लाइमेट में रहने के लिए हेल्प करता है? फर्स्ट वन, वाइट फर, फैट बिलो स्किन एंड कीन सेंस ऑफ स्मेल, जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत कोल्ड क्लाइमेट में भी रह सकता है. द नेक्स्ट वन, विच ऑप्शन बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन? इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन है जो ट्रॉपिकल रीजन को अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब कर सकता है? हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड. ट्रॉपिकल रीजन इज हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड. ओके, there is an activity project, you can make it and answer it. So here we are completing the exercise of textbook. The workbook you have to complete it yourself. We are completing our chapter. Thank you.